Hi everyone, welcome to Essy Cooks. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious vegan gyoza soup. Oh my goodness, this one is so good with Thai red curry paste and coconut milk and spicy oil. One of my absolute new favorites. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my veggies. So I'm going to start by cutting up some cabbage. I have about 4 cups of cabbage, and then I have 150 grams of shimeji mushrooms. So that's about 1 pack. You can use another type of mushroom if you want, no problem. And then I have 4 green onions here. I'm just going to slice those down. I'm going to use the bottoms in the soup and save the tops for later. Now I've got a pot on medium heat, and I'm going to throw in my green onions. I'm going to put in 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to just mince those. This is going to make such a nice flavor for the base. And then of course I'm going to add in 1 heaping tablespoon of fresh ginger. Now I'm going to add in my mushrooms. I'm going to cook those down for a few minutes, about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm just going to stir those, and this smells so amazing, and it's only going to get better because we're going to keep adding more flavor to it. So the next thing I'm going to add is Thai red curry paste, so about 3 tablespoons. If that is too spicy for you, start with 1 tablespoon and see how it goes. So I'm going to mix in that Thai red curry paste, and then I'm going to add in coconut milk, about 2 cups of coconut milk. 1 19-ounce can of coconut milk would work. I'm just going to stir that in and just make sure that everything is well combined. And I want that Thai red curry paste to be super combined into the soup as well. I don't want to hit like a chunk of that, so careful with that as well. Now I'm going to add in my vegetable broth. This is 4 cups of vegetable broth. There's a little frozen chunk in there. I pulled this out of my freezer. I actually made vegetable broth out of my old vegetable scraps, which I absolutely loved it. I didn't know you could do that. You can check out my video on that if you like. And then I'm going to add in my 4 cups of cabbage, which I just kind of chopped loosely into bite-sized pieces. And we want to cook that down for another 3 to 4 minutes. While those are cooking, we are going to make our vegetable gyoza. So I'm going to put about half a cup of water into a pan, and I'm just going to add those frozen dumplings right into the water. We're going to be steaming them. So just cook according to the package instructions, because some of them are going to be different. I used the Seawin brand, which are so delicious. It's a Canadian company, but just check and make sure that they are vegan. These are super delicious and so easy to make. So once I've finished steaming those, look at the color. Look how beautiful that is looking. That soup is just simmering to perfection. And now I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce to my gyoza. This helps them crisp up, and it adds such a nice flavor. So about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Then to my soup, I'm going to add a tablespoon of lime juice, fresh is best if you have it, and a tablespoon of either sugar or maple syrup. And then I'm going to add in 400 grams of instant ramen noodles, or you can use udon noodles. You can use rice noodles if you want it to be gluten-free. Whatever you like there. So I'm just going to add those in and cook those according to the package instructions, which was about 3 minutes total. So I've cooked the noodles down. Those are ready. It is time to serve these up. Now my favorite thing I'm going to add on top is the gyoza. So this total makes 4 big bowls of this soup, and it's 3 gyoza per bowl. So I'm going to add those right on top. I'm going to add the tops of my green onions that I saved from earlier, and then I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of spicy oil. If your spicy oil doesn't have sesame seeds, you can add some sesame seeds on top too. And if you want to add some protein to this, you can just add some cooked edamame into it, or you can even add some crispy tofu on top, which would make it amazingly delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video and you want to see more like this, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.